Can you believe it? Without any expensive hydraulic machinery, this young man completely shattered the limits of human strength using a collection of handcrafted metal structures. The moment this ingenious, labor-saving machine landed, anyone could lift heavy objects with ease, as if lifting a feather, without batting an eye. Sparks flew in all directions, making the air feel incredibly hot. After cutting, the workers patiently smoothed the ends of the metal pipes with an angle grinder, carefully removing all burrs and sharp edges to ensure all parts were smooth and uniform during welding. Next came the welding and assembly of the wheelbarrow's base. On a level cement floor, the precisely cut square metal pipes were arranged to form a neat rectangular frame. To withstand the immense pressure to come, the young man welded several horizontal reinforcing ribs down the center. After the frame was built, 2 used wire wheels were securely attached to the base's axles. Next, the vehicle's side frame was welded to form a trapezoidal structure extending forward, and an exceptionally long metal tube was tightly welded to the front of the base to serve as the vehicle's long handle. This infinitely extended arm forms the ideal lever for generating power and is also the essential element capable of displacing the weight of heavy objects.